Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the electricity game filter on TikTok. It's very easy to get, just takes about a minute. All you have to do is head over to your TikTok application and open that up. Once you're on the TikTok application, you want to make sure you're on the Discover tab, and you just want to go up to the top search bar and just search for electricity game. And once you type in electricity game, you just want to search for that, and you'll see a bunch of videos here at the top. What you want to do is just basically find a video with the filter on it. So if we just click on this first one here, you'll notice this one has the electricity game filter on it. Same with the one below. So if you just search through here, you'll find one with it on it. And then right above the person's username, you'll see that little icon there that says electricity game with the yellow star. You want to go ahead and click on that, and then you'll be able to add it to your favorites up here at the top, and you'll be able to make your own videos with it on TikTok. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get the electricity game filter on TikTok. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.